Okay, my name's Kirk Holding at Realty Northwest. I've got one of our agents, Scott Levenger, helping us today and some other team members. And we are going to talk about staging today. But before we get to staging a house and what to do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us kind of give us feedback on which videos we should do in the future. And it helps the algorithm, so definitely appreciate that. Again, if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we look forward to helping you buy or sell a home. As far as staging goes, a little bit of intro. We get a lot of calls on staging from our sellers. And it's usually kind of the call a couple months out or the week of, wanting to know, hey, what do we do to stage a house? Are there some things we should fix? Kind of that type of questions, and every house is different. And so again, at that point, please stop, please give us a call. Usually about 2 months out from selling. We'd love to come out, do kind of a site visit, go over questions. There's gonna be some things that you may wanna fix. I got sellers that wanna fix this, and that, and it does absolutely really no good towards selling the house, oftentimes a waste of time and money. And then there's a whole list of things that you should do to keep the process going and make the most money on your house. So staging it's a big deal. I want to caution you that you'll see some agents out there offering it free as part of their marketing package, and I would caution you that it's probably not what you think. It's usually kind of some hokey staging that doesn't look that great, doesn't go with the home. It's probably just one room or a few little things in each room. Professional staging, it can make you money, and there's certainly the right circumstances to do it, but I'd say most of our clients, we can usually work with what they have. We do have an outside professional too that can come in and help advise on what to do with the stuff that you have in the house, but that's usually the route we can kind of guide you through to get the house ready to sell for the most money. We've got a pamphlet too here that is our home staging guide that comes with our listing packet that we'll send out, and it's chock full of a lot of other details and checklists to help you kind of get ready to get the house ready for market, and again, to get the most money. Also, our photographer, we've got a professional photography crew that will come in, and they will help with kind of moving things around as we go if things aren't quite ready there as we're taking pictures and video and photos of the house as kind of a secondary staging moment to get things just perfect before we go live on market. So the question is staging really worth it? Scott is going to talk to us now about whether it makes sense to really do it or not.
Okay, so as Kirk mentioned, one of the most frequently asked questions we get when we're meeting with sellers is it worth the time and money to stage your home? It absolutely is. One of the ways we know this is just by going by the numbers. 82% of agents said that buyers had an easier time visualizing themselves in the home that was staged as compared to one that wasn't. 47% of agents said that a staged home got a better opinion from buyers rather than one that wasn't. And staged homes tend to increase the sale value by 5%. So what really is the value in staging? Staging kind of helps, it kind of follows along the same lines of that old saying, dress for the job you want. Well, if you want better buyers, dress your home up a bit more. So, staging is going to help you be proactive in decluttering your home, kind of mentally moving out of the home. It's also going to help, like we said earlier, it's going to help the buyer visualize, and especially for photos. Majority of buyers are looking at homes online, whether that's Zillow, Realtor, or our website on soldnw.com. They're going to see all the pictures and what your home looks like in that photo. It's really easier for a photographer to take great photos if the home is staged. So we definitely recommend staging your home. We have lots of tips and tricks on how to do that in a cheap way. You don't always have to buy a professional stager. It's like Kirk mentioned, sometimes that can run you close to $3,000, and that's just going to eat into your profits. So for more tips, Ashley is going to take over and give you some experiences or opinions on what you can do to best stage your home.
Okay. Hi, I'm Ashley Vitro, and I'm here to talk to you about some staging tips for your home. Some of the things you might want to think about, first off, is the first impression of your home, what people see when they pull up. So your curb appeal, putting trash cans on the side of the house, trimming shrubs, clearing walkways, leaves and such, maybe nice lighting for the evening if you have an evening showing. Kind of want to identify what the strengths and weaknesses are of your home, and kind of move on from there. Upon entering your home, think about the layout. If you're going to have people walking through doing showings, you want to minimalize your space, kind of simplify, move some things out of the way so everything kind of flows. It's more of a cohesive feel. People coming into your home. You want to think about when you go on vacation, you go to a hotel, it's very simple inside. So when you come in, you bring your stuff, you settle in, and you kind of make it your own. You want your potential buyer to be able to have that same feeling coming into your home. So you want to declutter as much as possible, remove as many things from the kitchens, the bathrooms. If you have to, put everything underneath countertops, take down photos. This is a big one, all personal photos, things that show that you live in the home. You want to kind of tuck those away. After that, if you have dark walls, consider painting. You don't have to necessarily paint the whole entire home, but a couple key walls would be good, some artwork, just things to kind of draw your eye and accentuate your what's positive about your home. Next, you want to consider hiring a professional cleaner, and this is a big one that I am a big advocate for. Nobody wants to move into your mess. It's best to clean and polish, get it, smelling good, fresh. If you've got old window coverings, consider taking those down, opening up the windows, and then again, clean the windows. That's also a big one. You want to be able to look outside, see what's outside of your windows, your backyard and such. Let all the light in. Good lighting throughout the home also, maybe a soft white light. You just don't want it bright. You want it to be welcoming and nice. And last, consider when you go out into the backyard, sprucing up your backyard, patio furniture, cleaning it off, making it nice and inviting. Just really create a space that someone can envision living in your home. And for that, we're gonna pass it off to Greg, and he's gonna talk a little bit more about some of the maintenance aspects of your home.
Hello, this is Greg Kelsey, Realtor Northwest. I'm here to discuss some of the maintenance issues when you're going to stage a house. One of the most important one is the HVAC system. Most prospective buyers that are going to look at your house, if they write an offer, are going to hire a home inspector. Home inspector is probably going to want to see the HVAC system, the furnace, air conditioning serviced. So you might look at cleaning it up before you list your house or have it serviced prior. Also plumbing, a lot of times it's easy to overlook little plumbing leaks underneath the sink, underneath a bathroom sink, kitchen sink, outside hose bibs dripping. Best to get those corrected before the home inspector sees them and the buyer gets nervous. Painting and carpet, sellers are always asking, should they paint the walls, carpet, what to pick out. Just always remember to pick something neutral. You're getting carpet for the prospective buyers, not for what colors you like or texture of carpet. And that's about it.
Okay, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Hopefully you found some helpful tips with staging. Again, we totally believe in staging and love to sit down with you and help you make that pay, help that make more profit when you go to sell your home. Again, if you're thinking about putting your house up for sale, give us a call, give us some time to come out and do that initial walkthrough so that we can kind of save you hopefully some unnecessary work, some headaches, and get the house really dialed in to get the most money for the house. And again, whether you're looking 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us, text us an email. We'd love to help you sell that house or help you find a property here in Spokane and North Idaho. We'll see you on the next one.